Hello everyone, welcome to the Stats Corner. In this video, we are going to find the characteristics function. Okay, so the question says two random variables x and y are such that the variable x taking two values plus 1 and minus 1 with probability 0.5 and 0.5 and y follows normal distribution with parameter 0 and 1. Then what is the characteristics function of 2xy? Okay, so suppose w equals to 2xy. Now x is taking value plus 1 and minus 1. Okay, so what will be w? W will be 2y with probability 0.5 and minus 2y with probability 0.5. So this is when x taking value positive 1 and this is when x taking value negative 1. Okay, so we have a split function w here. Now we can write combinedly w equals to plus minus 2y. Here y follows normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 1. Okay, so if y is normal, then 2y will follow normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 4. Okay, and minus 2y will follow normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 4. So we can see that if w equals to positive 2y, then the distribution is same. If w equals to negative 2y, then the distribution also same. That implies W will also follow normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 4. Okay, now what is the characteristic function of W? Characteristics function of a normal distribution is nothing but e to the power mu it minus half sigma square t square. On the place of mu, we have 0. On the place of sigma, we have 4 t square. So this will be minus 2 t square. Now you might be wondering that how W follow normal distribution. Okay, because we have written that W equals to positive 2y and W equals to negative 2y. But whenever we are dealing with normal distribution, this always happens. Okay, so we can find actually expected value of W, then variance of W. Okay, then we can say that expected value of W is 0, variance of W conditional, we have to find conditional variance of W with respect to Y. So this will be 4, but we do not need to do that much calculation here. Let me explain one another example with the same scenario. Okay, suppose x follow normal distribution with 0, 1 and y follow normal distribution 0, 1. Okay, so we know that x plus y will follow normal distribution 0, 2 and x minus y will also follow normal 0, 2. Okay, so doesn't matter we are doing x plus y or x minus y, the distribution will be same, normal 0, 2. Now suppose we have another variable, suppose z. Z is taking value plus minus 1 with probability 0.5. Okay, so it means z equals to positive 1 with probability 0.5 and negative 1 with probability 0.5. Now, if I ask you, suppose a random variable w equals to x plus zy is there. Okay. Now, what will be the characteristics function of w? Here we know z equals to plus minus 1. Again, we can split this function like this: x plus y with probability 0.5 when z equals to 1, and x minus y with probability 0.5 when z equals to minus 1. Okay, but we know x plus y is normal 0 comma 2. Here we can see this, and x minus y is again normal 0 comma 2, we can see here. So even if we have a split function here, if both are normal distributions, so this random variable will also follow normal distribution. Okay, normal 0 comma 2. Now what will be the characteristics function? This will be same e to the power minus half into 2t square, which equals to e to the power minus t square. Okay, so we can revise it again. We have a random variable x which is taking positive 1, negative 1 values with probability 0.5, and random variable y following normal distribution with parameter 0 comma 1. Now we are asked to find characteristics function of 2xy. So we are saying that if x is taking positive 1, negative 1 values, then this 2xy will be either positive 2y or negative 2y. Okay, and y is following normal distribution, so 2y and minus 2y will follow same normal distribution with parameter 0 comma 4. So the split function w, or we can say this random variable w, will also follow normal distribution with parameter 0 comma 4, and we can substitute the values of mu and sigma in this characteristics function, and we obtain the characteristics function as this one.